Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the CapCut application to generate an AI model. So if you have a fashion product and you don't have a model to photograph the product, then this tutorial is for you. So the first step is to download the CapCut application from the Play Store or the App Store on your iPhone. After the application has been successfully installed, the next step is to click on the CapCut icon. So the application interface is opened and I have several features here like the photo editor, text to image, auto cut, product photos, and expand. To see other features, I'll place my finger on the new project section, then drag down. So this has shown the other features like the AI poster, AI model, camera, retouch, auto captions. So among these features, I'll be working with just one, which is the AI model. So before going further, I assumed you already have a picture of the dress worn on a mannequin or worn by a real person. Now click on the AI model icon. Here I have three options, which is models, products, and poses. Now I clicked on models to select the model I want to use. Here you are allowed to select only one model, depending on the kind of people you sell your products to. So you can navigate through the images by tapping on the models to see which model fits your brand. For instance, if you sell your product to females only and most of your clients are Africans, then you should select the first model because she's dark in complexion. Now I've selected the model and the next step is to click on poses. Here you're allowed to select how you want the posture of your model to be. You can select as many as you want, but I would advise you to select all because selecting all poses will generate a lot of pictures, and this will allow you to have a lot of options to select the perfect pictures. Once you have selected all the poses, the next step is to click on products. By default, the application has its own fashion products. To upload your fashion products, you click on the plus sign. This will take you to your phone gallery where you would be allowed to select one to about 5 outfits at a time. From the pictures I selected, you'll notice that three of the outfits was worn by a mannequin, while the other two outfits was worn by a lady. If I go ahead to generate the images now, you'll notice that some of the images will not be supported due to the mannequin posture or the background of the picture. So I advise you to take 2 to 3 photos of the mannequin wearing the same dress with different posture. So if one of the pictures does not match the requirements, the same picture with a different posture may match the requirements. Click on add. So obviously only 3 pictures met the requirements, and that is why I advised that you should take 2 or 3 pictures of the same outfit but different posture. So one important thing you should take note of is that even if the 3 pictures were supported from this phase, it doesn't mean that when you generate the images, the 3 pictures will be supported completely. The next step is to click on generate at the top right corner of your screen. So once all the pictures has been generated, the export option would pop out. I have the options to export 20 pictures to my gallery, but that would be too much. So I would just go ahead to unselect the pictures I don't want from the app now before exporting. Yeah, I noticed that there are some blank boxes. This simply means that one of the pictures out of that three wasn't supported when the picture got to this stage. So this is the second outfit. I'll go ahead to unselect the pictures I don't like. So I selected 4 pictures. The next step is to click on export. Now the 4 pictures has been exported to my gallery. I clicked on recent and I saw the new pictures that has been added to my gallery. This is the first picture, and for the second picture I noticed that the sneakers doesn't fit the outfit, so I went ahead to crop out the sneakers. This is the third picture with a different outfit, And this is the last picture. Alright guys, so that is how to use the CapCut feature AI model to help your fashion business. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.